Hello folks, this is Aditya from InspiredRise.com and today we are going to unbox and review the Xiaomi Bluetooth Sport headset. This is one of the successors to the previous Bluetooth headset by Xiaomi, which was really an overpriced one, and this one is a significantly cheaper version, but does it have better audio quality than that one? Today we are going to test and find out the same. So guys, the Xiaomi Youth Wireless Bluetooth earphone, which are noise cancelling and waterproof sports headphone, they are quite lightweight and portable. They weigh only 13.6 grams, which means that you can wear these for a very long period of time. These are really comfortable. Just keep them like this and they just fit in quite nicely into your ears. And though there is no active noise cancellation at work here, but the design makes sure that the passive noise cancellation is quite good on these. Because of the lightweight, they can be worn for really long periods of time. These come with plastic ear base with 58-degree tilt angle. This means that there's this natural shape of your ears. This 58-degree tilt angle means that when you put these inside your ears, this goes in quite nicely like this and this one like this, and that makes sure that the overall fit is really good. You get 5 extra rubber ear caps to replace the default ones present on this. Depending upon your ear size, you can replace them. These also work really well in gym and professional settings. So the gym that I go to, you can see all of these scenes over here, how difficult our intense training regime is, and over there's a lot of noise, a lot of people are making a lot of noise, and there's the professional stereo setup over there which has really loud volume, and they play a lot of different kind of tracks which I don't like to hear when I'm working out. So in those settings also, these headphones work really nicely. Now let's talk a little bit more about the hardware and design. So these come up with an IPX4 waterproof rating, and there's this nice module over here which comes with 3 buttons. There's the volume up button, volume down button, and the middle button. So when you want to adjust the volume, you can do that. You can switch your songs using this one, and you can connect or hang your calls also. Double clicking the middle button enables Xiaomi Intelligent Voice Assistant, but it only works on smartphones which already work with this feature or which have support for this feature. So in a nutshell, if you're using something like a Xiaomi smartphone, that feature might work with those phones. One of the best things about these earphones was the battery life. You can get up to 11 hours of battery life if you are listening to a very low volume, just like I like to do, because I don't like to have really high volume blaring in my ears. So I have really low volume set, and you can get easily up to 11 hours of playback on the lowest possible volume, or 8 hours of playback is at least guaranteed after a full period of charge. When you put them on charge, I charge them using a 5 volt 1 ampere charger. It takes around 2 hours to charge them fully from zero battery. Inside, these come with 10mm strong magnetic moving coils, which are not really high fidelity, but they are good enough for your normal regular day-to-day usage. The audio isolation from your surroundings and the bass are good. The mids are not really that much punchy, and if you're somebody who prefers really clean sound separation and you want to hear every instrument distinctly, then these earphones are not meant for you. These are good for people who love bass in their music, people who just are going to use these in a very noisy surrounding environment, but people who really want to appreciate their music, I don't think that this is a product for them, because the sound quality is not really up there. But still, let's talk about the final points. These are available on banggood.com for a price of around 1700 to 1800 rupees, depending upon all of the taxes and everything. And for that price, these are one of the best Bluetooth earphones that you can buy, because of the fact that these are really lightweight and the noise isolation is good, the bass is good, battery life is the cherry on top of this cake, and that makes the overall experience of using these for a really long period of time worth it. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.